Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. Today I have new spoilers for the base box, the Boxy Luxe, and the premium for the month of June, which some of them are kind of exciting. And then I have some new spoilers for July. So if you guys would like to see those, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Okay, we're gonna start out with the base box and the new spoilers that we have seen from base box. Be sure to let me know down below what variation number you got. Be sure to hit me up on Facebook or Instagram and show me those box variations. I would be really intrigued to see those. So let's recap really quickly, just run through them really quickly, what was coming in the base box, and then I'll show you guys the new spoilers on what you may get in your base box if you haven't received it yet. So there is the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray, the Purely's Perfect Glow BB Cream, the Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange Parade Eyeshadow Palette. I also did see a variation, well, we'll talk about that in the end. The Shared Planet Polar Bear Collection, oh my god. The Shared Planet Tiger Eyeshadow Palette, the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, the Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Hydrate Primer, and the regular primer, the Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Gel, or Eye Balm. And that one is basically just to like add some shimmer under your eyes to brighten the under eye area, is my understanding on that product. I thought it was like an actual skincare product, but the more I've looked into it, I don't believe so. The Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. And before, I had touched on the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. Unfortunately, that will not be in this round of boxes, but oh my gosh, that's amazing. I've actually just recently started using the Paula's Choice 2% BHA, and I see the biggest dramatic change in my skin. It is unbelievable. I love it so much. Okay, now let's touch on the, a couple more. The Laura Geller Beauty Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palette, the Zoeva Nude Spectrum Blush Palette, the Zoeva Heritage, the Zoeva Spice of Life, the Zoeva Premier, and the Zoeva Naturally Yours. And then we come to our newest spoilers. And that is the Touch and Soul Primer. Let me grab mine. Is the No Problem Prime Essence. That's this little guy right here. And it is like very watery. And that is that one. That one, I've seen some variations of that in base boxes. And then there is the Cap Cosmetics New Charming Lip Set, valued at $38. So that is a like lip crayon and an eyeliner. And then there is another one. It is the Beauty Vault Circadian. So sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, you guys. It is the lip liner trio, and that is valued at $18. So what is the one product you guys are looking forward to the most from the base box? Let me know. All right, I have not seen any variations on the premium box. I'm just not sure if any premium boxes have gone out yet or not. If they have and you got yours, please let me know. I would really appreciate that. Let's touch on those again really quick. There's the Glow Recipe Avocado Mel Retinol Sleeping Mask, the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, the Milk Makeup Glow Oil in Halo, the KVD Vegan Beauty Studded Lipstick. You'll get one of 5 shades on that one. The NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. You'll get one of 3 shades on that one. And oh my gosh, NARS. And the Lashaholics They're Real, I Swear Lashes. So that is premium so far. Then we have Boxy Luxe. We have the Tarte Tarteus Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara, the Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, the Kyla Skin Foaming Face Wash. I have some dramas with the Boxy Luxe. I'll get to that here in a moment. The Swell Bottle Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle, the OSHA Malibu Gaia Shua Sculptor, the Smile Science 2 Teeth Whitening Pens, the Hallmark Collectibles Satin Pillowcase and Eye Mask, the Eco Dern Essentials Goddess Duo Women's Blend and Calm Distressing Oils, the $1 Billion Brows Charcoal 5-piece brush set. And I've seen a lot of people get that brush set, so congratulations, because that looks amazing. The M Green Grass Fragrance CBD Head to Toe Cream, the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser. And then we move into the new ones. This is where you guys may get a little upset, and remember, I'm the messenger. I'm just here to bring you a message and keep you guys up to date. And I don't mean to make anybody upset or angry. And who knows, maybe this will work to your benefit. I don't know what you guys are wanting. You have to let me know down below so I can know. The first one is the Bodyography Lip Liner. And it is a duo. And I could only find them on their website for just one. And for one of them, it's $14, so $28 for two of them, I'm assuming. And then we have this amazing skincare item, and I have it. I love it. It is the Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask, and this is valued at $25.11. You guys, this thing is amazing, okay? It looks like caca, but it makes my skin feel so smooth and so soft. It is ridiculous. This is like a miracle product. It is a Korean skin brand, and we have been seeing a lot more of these in Boxycharm, which I think is so awesome. If you guys are interested in shopping for Korean skincare brands, which I highly recommend, I will have a link down below to an amazing place to buy these products on. It is like the world's biggest Korean skincare website, and really, really nicely priced. Absolutely wonderful. This is 100 milliliters, and it is a sleeping mask enriched with 80% honeybee propolis extract, which provides full nourishment and glowing skin for tired skin while you sleep. And this is amazing. Okay, let's move on. Then you can get the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder in shade 24 Cray. This is valued at $28, and this is a variation product. So remember when Boxycharm said everyone will be getting Kylie skin? Yeah. So this is now a variation item with the Kylie skin, the face wash. So be sure to let me know down below, did you receive this Fenty Beauty product? And did you want the Kylie skin product more? Please let me know down below. And then this one I would have been personally happy about because I didn't receive this product in a past Boxycharm box. So the next spoiler is the Tarte Tarteus Pro Remix Palette, valued at $49. And this is a variation item with the Amazonian clay palette that everybody was promised. So one is more on the neutral side and one is more on the adventurous side. And as you can tell, I love adventure. So I wouldn't be mad about this, but I know a lot of other people would be. So please let me know down below, did you receive the Pro Remix palette? Did you rather want the Amazonian clay palette? Let me know. I need to know these things. Okay, moving on. to the Malin and Goats Recovery Treatment Oil, valued at $82. So I have some thoughts on this product, okay? Just because a skincare product has a high price tag does not mean it's good for your skin. If you would like to know more information on this, I highly recommend you go and check out Hiram. He's on YouTube. He is amazing. He is funny. He is great. I love everything that is Hiram. I have been binge watching the crap out of his videos lately. And one thing I really, really do not like about this product is there is so much fragrance in this product. Fragrance is not good for your face. There is so many essential oils in this product. Essential oils are not good for your face. And there is also a crap ton of citrus in this product, which, you guessed it, citrus is not good for your face. So this is a 30 milliliter product. I mean, if you don't care about fragrance or citrus or essential oils going on your face, this could be a wonderful product for you. For me, I would not put this on my face. Absolutely would not put this on my face. So you really have to be the judge of that and what you're wanting to put on your skin. This is also vegan and cruelty-free product, so I really do like that. That's all I have for you guys for spoiler-wise. No, it's not. Kyla, stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Getting way too ahead of yourself. July base box. Spoilers. We have, and these are the choice items, just so you guys know. So you may already know these, and you can click off right now if you don't want to see them again. But for those of you guys who missed out on choice, like I did, number 1 is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. And then we have number 2, which is the Babe Lash Essential Serum. And then number 3 is the 1-1 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. So we will touch more on those products on a later video when we have a little bit more products to go over. And if you guys are wondering what the heck I have going on my eyes, as you could tell, I have really gotten into tie-dye. I actually just recently tie-dyed an alien tie-dye shirt. That is super amazing. And on my eyes are these beautiful little beauties right here. And let me get them set up for ya. Without hair on it. Boom! Makeup a murder. They have the most amazing pigments on the planet. I absolutely love them. They're so amazingly priced. Each one of these were $5 a piece. Amazing, 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 amazing. So that's what I have on my eyes. And then my eyeliner is the Illuminati eyeliner. Alright, so that is officially all I have for you guys today. I want to leave off this video by saying Black Lives Matter. And for all of you guys out protesting out there, thank you so much. Keep fighting this fight when others can't right now. So that's all I have for you. I love you guys so, so very much. And I hope you have a great, wonderful, fantastic day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!